आसतात भायर सरोंक भियेतात, भायर सरपाचें चिंतलें जाल्यार पासून तांचे काळीज कलकलूंक लागता. ओके, बट डॉक्टरान म्हणलेलें एवरीथिंग इज ओके, डोंट वरी. बट इज इट ओके? No, it's not. But then one day what happens is this parent gets a brochure of Asta Dana Niketan and comes to our school. Schoolan पावले काय तेका कितें दिसता? कितली सगळीं भुरगीं आसात, कितले disabilities आसा. Then the parent realizes कि I'm not the only one. So it is okay. जेन्ना ती एडमिशनाक येता तेन्ना तिका स्पेशल एड्युकेटर मेळटा, थेरपिस्ट मेळटा, and they realize that I'm not alone. There are so many people to support me and help me with my disability in my child. Okay? Then we meet the counselor, the psychologist. The psychologist will guide the parent, will tell the parent that eat healthy, exercise well, sleep well, and begin to talk to people. That is when the parent realizes भुरग्याक स्कूलान क्लासीन दवरलो तेन्ना बाकीचे पेरेंट्स असतात. So they talk to each other and they realize कि it's okay not to be okay sometimes. What? Everybody has the similar problems. I'm not the only one. But the psychologist said, also take care. My mental health is in my own hands. I'm responsible for my own health. So for that reason, Jenna parent keeps a child in the school. They trust the teachers, they trust the therapists, they trust nobody else because they are trained very well to take care of their child. Now the parent can go and eat well. Why? Because she has time to cook well. ती बरी रांदतली तेन्ना ती बरी जेवतली. Okay? She has time to go for her walks. She has time to go to the gym. She has time to go to beauty parlor and do little facial. This will all help her mental health. So this is our message for everyone today, that to improve your mental health, we are responsible ourselves. Eat well, sleep well, exercise well, talk, and we as society need to listen to people, accept and understand all the disabilities and the mental health problems that are persistent. Thank you very much.
तर आयज आमी मेंटल हेल्थ अवेरनेस डे हेच्या निमतान आस्था सानिध्येंत स्पेशल स्कूल खोल्ली म्हापसा आनी आमी एक अवेरनेस रॅली केल्ली आसा. म्हणजे जशें आमचे फिजिकल हेल्थ आमी जिमान वचून स्ट्रॉंग करपाक शकता तशें आमी मेंटल हेल्थ सुद्दां आमचें मजबूत करूंक जाय, ते सारकें दवरूंक जाय, तेजी कॅर घेवंक जाय. त्या निमतान आमच्या भुरग्यांनी आयज ही रॅली काडलेली. म्हणजे सगळ्या समाजाक कळोंक जाय कितें बाबा मेंटल हेल्थाची कशें आमी कॅर घेवंक जाय आनी कितले गरजेचें आसा त्याच्या काळांत त्या खातीर. सो आमी ती रॅली फ्रॉम राष्ट्रोळी टेंपल वाया मारुती टेंपल टू राम मनोहर गार्डन म्हापसा हांगासर आमी काडलेली. सो ह्या निमतान चीफ गेस्ट असलेले सर म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशनाचे PI निखिल पालेकर त्यांचे सुद्दां आमी आभारी आसा. कित्याक सांग ते वेळान वेळ काडून हांगासर येयले आनी प्रोग्राम एक सक्सेसफूल केलो.